Did you know that peanuts aren't actually nuts? That's right, they're legumes. This means they grow underground in pods, unlike tree nuts like almonds or walnuts. But don't let that fool you. Peanuts are packed with flavor and nutrition. They're a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Now that we've got that little tidbit out of the way, let's dive into the fascinating world of peanut butter production. Peanuts are typically planted in the spring and take about 4 to 5 months to mature. Once the plants turn yellow and the peanuts inside the pods are fully developed, it's time for harvest. Farmers use specialized equipment to dig up the peanut plants, which are then flipped over to dry in the field for several days. This drying process helps to reduce the moisture content of the peanuts, preventing spoilage. After drying, the peanuts are transported to processing plants for cleaning and shelling. Here, they go through a series of machines that remove dirt, debris, and any remaining stems. Next, the peanuts are cracked open to separate the shells from the kernels. The shells are often used as animal feed or mulch, while the kernels continue on their journey to becoming peanut butter. Roasting is a crucial step in peanut butter production, as it brings out the peanut's rich flavor and aroma. The process begins with selecting the finest quality peanuts, which are then cleaned and sorted to ensure only the best make it to the roasting stage. This meticulous selection is essential because the quality of the peanuts directly impacts the final taste of the peanut butter. The peanuts are roasted at high temperatures for a specific amount of time, depending on the desired color and flavor profile. The temperature and duration of roasting are carefully controlled to achieve the perfect balance. Too little roasting, and the peanuts won't develop their full flavor potential. Too much, and they could burn, resulting in a bitter taste. This precision is what makes the difference between ordinary and extraordinary peanut butter. Did you know that roasting actually causes a chemical reaction in the peanuts, known as the Maillard reaction? This reaction occurs when the amino acids and reducing sugars in the peanuts interact under high heat, leading to the formation of complex flavor compounds. It's the same reaction that gives browned foods like grilled steak and toasted bread their distinctive flavors. This reaction is responsible for the development of hundreds of flavor compounds, giving peanut butter its characteristic nutty and slightly sweet taste. Once the peanuts are perfectly roasted, they are cooled quickly to stop the cooking process and preserve their flavor. The next step involves grinding the roasted peanuts into a smooth, creamy butter. This grinding process is done in stages to ensure the right texture and consistency. The result is a delicious, spreadable peanut butter that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from sandwiches to baking recipes. The journey from raw peanut to finished product is a testament to the art and science of food processing, where every step is designed to unleash the full flavor potential of the humble peanut. Section 5, Cooling Down, a necessary pause. Once the peanuts have reached their peak roastiness, they need to be cooled down quickly to stop the cooking process. This is typically done by spreading them out in a thin layer and blowing cool air over them. Cooling the peanuts prevents them from becoming overcooked and developing a burnt flavor. It also helps to preserve their natural oils, which are essential for creating smooth and creamy peanut butter. Section 6. Blanching and sorting. Only the best will do. This is a crucial step in ensuring the quality and consistency of our final product. In this step, the peanuts are blanched to remove their thin, papery skins. Blanching is a process that not only helps in skin removal but also enhances the texture and flavor of the peanuts. Blanching involves briefly immersing the peanuts in hot water, which loosens the skins and makes them easier to remove. This step is meticulously timed to ensure that the peanuts are not overcooked, preserving their natural taste and nutritional value. After blanching, the peanuts are inspected and sorted to remove any defective kernels, such as those that are shriveled, discolored, or damaged. This sorting process is both manual and automated, combining the precision of machines with the keen eyes of our experienced workers. Defective peanuts are meticulously removed to ensure that only the best quality peanuts proceed to the next stage. This rigorous inspection guarantees that our products meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Only the highest quality peanuts make it to the next stage of production. These peanuts are now ready for roasting, salting, or any other processing that will turn them into the delicious snacks and ingredients our customers love. The commitment to quality at this stage is what sets our products apart in the market. The journey of these peanuts from the farm to your table is a testament to our dedication to excellence. Each step, from blanching to sorting, is designed to preserve the natural goodness of the peanuts while enhancing their flavor and texture. Our rigorous quality control processes ensure that every peanut that reaches you is of the highest quality. Whether you enjoy them as a snack or use them in your favorite recipes, you can trust that our peanuts are the best you can get. So the next time you enjoy a handful of our peanuts, remember the journey they took to get to you. From careful blanching and sorting to the final packaging, every step is a labor of love and a commitment to quality only the best will do, and that's what we deliver. Section 7. Grinding it out from peanuts to paste. Welcome to the fascinating journey of how simple peanuts are transformed into the delicious and creamy peanut butter we all love. This process is a blend of precision, technology, and a bit of culinary magic. Now for the main event, grinding. This is where the magic truly happens. The grinding process is crucial in determining the final texture and flavor of the peanut butter. The blanched and sorted peanuts are fed into industrial-sized grinders, which are designed to handle large quantities efficiently. These machines are marvels of engineering, ensuring that each peanut is ground to perfection. The grinders crush and grind the peanuts into a smooth paste. This step is meticulously controlled to achieve the desired consistency, whether it's creamy or chunky. As the peanuts are ground, their natural oils are released. This is a critical part of the process, as these oils are what give peanut butter its characteristic smoothness and spreadability. The result is a creamy and spreadable texture that is both rich and satisfying. The consistency is carefully monitored to ensure it meets quality standards. Did you know that peanut butter is naturally high in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart healthy? These fats are beneficial for maintaining good cholesterol levels and overall heart health. These fats also contribute to peanut butter's rich and satisfying mouthfeel. When you spread it on your bread or enjoy it straight from the spoon, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat but also nourishing your body with healthy fats. The journey of peanut butter begins long before the grinding process. It starts in the fields where peanuts are carefully cultivated and harvested. Farmers play a crucial role in ensuring the quality of the peanuts that eventually become peanut butter. Once harvested, the peanuts are transported to processing plants where they undergo cleaning and blanching. This step removes the outer skins and prepares the peanuts for grinding. The final product comes in various forms and flavors, catering to different tastes and preferences. From classic creamy to crunchy and even flavored varieties, there's a type of peanut butter for everyone. Peanut butter is a versatile food that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Whether it's a simple sandwich, a smoothie ingredient, or a baking essential, its uses are endless. In addition to healthy fats, peanut butter is also a great source of protein, making it an excellent choice for a nutritious snack. It's a favorite among athletes and health enthusiasts for its energy-boosting properties. The culinary possibilities with peanut butter are vast. From cookies and energy bars to savory dishes, it adds a unique flavor and texture that enhances any recipe. After grinding, the peanut butter is jarred and sealed to maintain its freshness. The packaging process is automated to ensure efficiency and hygiene. Each jar undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure it meets the highest standards. This guarantees that every spoonful of peanut butter you enjoy is of the best quality. So, the next time you enjoy a spoonful of peanut butter, remember the journey it took from humble peanuts to the delicious paste in your jar. It's a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship involved in creating this beloved food. Section 8. Mixing and matching, creating creamy creations. Once the peanut butter reaches the desired consistency, additional ingredients may be added, depending on the recipe. Common additions include salt, sugar, and oil. Some manufacturers also add stabilizers or emulsifiers to prevent the peanut butter from separating. Natural peanut butter, on the other hand, is typically made with just peanuts and salt, allowing the natural flavors to shine through. Section 9. Smooth operator, the homogenization process. To ensure a uniform texture and prevent separation, many peanut butters undergo a process called homogenization. This involves forcing the peanut butter through a small space at high pressure, which breaks down any remaining peanut particles and creates a super smooth consistency. Homogenization also helps to distribute the peanut oil evenly throughout the mixture, preventing it from settling at the top. Section 10. jarred and ready packaging and shelf life. Finally, the finished peanut butter is packaged in jars or tubs and sealed tightly to maintain freshness. It's then ready to be shipped to grocery stores and enjoyed by peanut butter lovers everywhere. Did you know that unopened peanut butter can last for several months at room temperature? Once opened, it's best to store it in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life.